What's up everybody, I'm Katanata and welcome to this Mukbang slash life update. It is time for another life update, and also today I am eating. I have no idea what this is in English. I don't even know if it exists in English speaking countries. I don't know if they have a word for it, but in Sweden we call this krögarpytt, and it is basically small potato. Maybe I do this so you can see the food. Basically small potato pieces with small meat pieces mixed together that you just fry. And then we also have vegan vegan falafel, and also a giant pile of oven roasted carrots. I am also sick at the moment. Not not very sick, just a little bit to catch the cold, but it's not bad. I have energy, so that's good. Okay, so let's eat. I'm just gonna be careful so it's not too hot. Yeah, that tastes good. And also, I have water in my 2-liter water bottle. Okay. So, in the last life update I did, I talked about my evaluation of fibromyalgia. And now, what's with this stupid carrot? Come on! Now it is confirmed that I have fibromyalgia, and I also have the diagnosis on paper. So, yeah, I have fibromyalgia. Now this is finished. Now I don't have to care about doctors anymore for a while. I have medication, and I am so happy because now I can relax. Now I can, when I search for jobs, for example, I can confirm to them that I have fibromyalgia, that I have this pain that it gets worse and better in periods of time and all that. Also, the stuff that comes with it. So I'm very happy that it's finally done. Oh my god, it's so difficult to say it. Fibromyalgia diagnosis confirmed. I should have left those carrots a lot longer in the oven because they are still solid. They don't taste too bad though, I was just surprised. No. Oh my god, hot. Oh. Hot. We also have a little bit of cat hair. Also, I have started my, well, it was a while ago now, I started my job training at this grocery store I was talking about. So now I'm doing that as well, and it's going really, really good. Well, right now I'm sick, but you can't do anything about that. So I'll probably be able to be back in a few days, because I don't feel all that sick, so I'm probably I am probably fine. Words. So yeah, it's actually going really good, and I don't remember if I've mentioned this before. I am very bad at remembering what I say from time to time. So I'm gonna say it again if it turns out I haven't said it before. I have been... I've not had a job in a... brain fart. Grocery store previously, but I've had... it was also a job training. And then I had job training at another grocery store in another commune. So that was my first experience of a grocery store, and I think it was either 2018 or 19, I don't remember. So I've had experience with it, so when I got into this grocery store that I'm job training at right now, I knew what to do. The only thing they had to show me was where the staff room is, where all the groceries are, where they come in and where to stack them, and then I was good to go. So I love it also because it's a very physically straining job, and I love that because that actually makes my fibromyalgia less active. The more active I am, the less pain I have. The only thing I've had is exercise fatigue. Just because I'm not used to it. Oh my god, the exercise fatigue has been a pain in the butt. But all in all, I am really happy and I love being there. I want to get hired at a grocery store because that's really what I want to do, because I love stacking shelves. Maybe I should eat also. I love stacking shelves and I love sorting and fronting, and it's just really, really nice. I gotta remember to eat so my food doesn't get cold. That falafel was a little bit dry. It almost went down the wrong way. Trying to not breathe when you have food stuck in your throat is very difficult, but I managed. Oh. There we go. That was a little bit too much falafel at the same time. Oh. If you've seen my shorts videos, there is a short where I switch glasses. It's these ones. I love them. These are my new glasses, and oh my god, I can see again. I can see! The funny thing is, I'm spilling food everywhere. The funny thing is that before I got my new glasses, I didn't even notice that I couldn't see properly. I had the same glasses for 9 years. Which is probably not too healthy for your eyes. But I'm poor. I don't like... I mean, I could see well enough. But I actually didn't notice how bad my vision was until I got my new glasses. Because when I got these, everything was all of a sudden so big. Everything was so big. It was like zooming in a whole lot more than my previous glasses. It took about a week for me to get used to these ones because my eyes were like, oh my god, we can see so well after 9 years. And it took almost a week for me to not get dizzy and nauseous from being able to see properly again. It was such a difference because the last pair of glasses, when I put them on, everything was kind of small. But when I got these, they just like zoomed in so much. It was so weird. It was like, oh my god, is the world this big? It was a really, really weird experience. But that drastic change just shows that I definitely needed new glasses. Okay, I'm not gonna put the whole falafel in my mouth again because it was too dry. I think I overdid it with the carrots. I mean, I love oven baked carrots, but maybe I did a little bit too many. It was a huge pile compared to the other things, but the more veggies the better, eh? I went Canadian all of a sudden. Well, that's also one thing. If you hear some kind of weird noise, if you hear some kind of weird noise, it's a full-blown storm outside. It's raining and it's storming. So I'm actually very glad that I could not go to work today because I'm sick. Because I would have blown away like a glove. Just because it's so incredibly stormy. A friend of mine wrote to me about an hour ago, and she said she almost lifted from the ground, and she's very, very tiny and lightweight. So I said to her, well, maybe I'm gonna see you blow past my window in a minute. And she laughed a lot. It wouldn't surprise me though if you can hear the wind. It sounds like it grabs the whole house and starting to move it. Oh, I'm quite full already. I don't have much left though, so I'm gonna finish. Oh my god, so I'm gonna finish it. But all the carrots, they just, it feels like they're just swelling in my stomach and making me so full. Okay, I have eaten everything but 2 carrots, and I can't eat more. I'm so full. I am so full. Oh. Oh, there we go. Excuse me. Oh my god, my voice. Alright, that was that. Thank you everyone so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon to get notified of when I upload new videos. I would be so happy if you want to support my channel. It means a lot to me. It means so much to me if you want to do that. So, yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.